The Nature Conservancy is an organization who's laser focused on dealing with the dual global crisis of both climate change and biodiversity loss. Now we are at a point where we've had great success with mainstreaming the conversation around nature-based solutions as a way to adapt to climate change. So that's really sort of the driving factor, is how can we move along that conversation and have an impact at a state that is so vulnerable to climate change but stands to really lead in this space, both in the work that we're doing on the ground, but also in terms of our legislative action and relationships across the state.
With support from the VOLO Foundation, we are able to work with local governments and community-based organizations and other leaders to access federal funding. We've helped stakeholders across Florida apply for more than $840 million in federal funding for projects like low-income rooftop solar, electric vehicle charging infrastructure, and nature-based solutions to address challenges caused by climate change, like, for example, sea level rise and extreme weather events.
So one of the big things that VOLO Foundation has really been able to help us with is developing and cultivating our next kind of generation of conservation leaders. And so we're doing that through informal education programs, online resources, but also this allows us with this self-guided gamification to get people who maybe have never been to the beach out to our beach, or have only come to Blowing Rocks and gone to the ocean but never looked on the lagoon side. These missions allow people to kind of engage with the whole site. And all 4 of our sites are going to have that same opportunity for people.
I think the platform that VOLO provides has allowed us to reach more people, but also has sparked the curiosity of funders who, now seeing the success of our work, are able to raise their hand and say, I want to get behind this initiative. This is interesting to me. Like, I can see the benefit to our community more broadly.
We're so excited for VOLO's 10-year anniversary. We think they have great potential to have a lasting legacy for climate and environmental benefits, youth education, and other priorities that TNC shares. And we at the Nature Conservancy are really excited about finding ways to continue to collaborate and expand our benefits.
It's important to have champions like this who are thinking about Florida, who are thinking about the opportunities that lie ahead for us if we can continue to advance this transition and to make this happen. And I would say, I'm excited to see what the next 10 years of VOLO bring. I see a lot of promise and I see a lot of excitement, and I think that we're going to be able to accomplish a lot with more people stepping up. So I would say keep doing what you're doing, keep encouraging others and inviting others to the table like yourselves to pay attention to this issue, because we need all hands on deck. So thank you.